Hey beauties, welcome back to Beautyistic. If you've been hunting for a cheek product that combines effortless blendability with a touch of sophistication, you might want to take a closer look at the Balm Talk is Cheek in the shade Lecture. This is a liquid blush designed to give you a buildable satin finish that works beautifully for a natural flush or a more defined pop of color. The packaging is sleek and travel-friendly, making it easy to toss in your makeup bag. As for the formula, it's liquid-based, which usually means it blends seamlessly into the skin and layers nicely without feeling cakey. This particular shade, Lecture, is a versatile, muted tone that's flattering for a range of skin tones. Perfect for everyday wear or a polished evening look. I started using it as part of my morning routine, applying a small amount with my fingers first, then experimenting with a brush for a more precise application. The product feels lightweight on the skin, absorbs quickly, and doesn't leave a sticky or tacky residue. One thing I noticed is that it's very forgiving. If you accidentally apply too much, it blends out effortlessly. Over the week, I wore it in different settings, from natural daylight to indoor lighting, and it maintained a soft, fresh finish without fading unevenly. What I really appreciate about this blush is its versatility. You can go sheer for a subtle hint of color or layer it to intensify the vibrancy. On the downside, because it's liquid, it requires a little drying time before you powder over it or add highlighter. Otherwise, it can move slightly if layered too quickly. In terms of value, the balm isn't the cheapest on the market, but considering the quality of the pigments, the buildable formula, and the brand's reputation for long-lasting, skin-friendly products, it's worth the investment if you're looking for a reliable everyday blush. Compared to other liquid blushes in the same price range, I'd say this one holds its own. Blends easily, lasts well, and offers a sophisticated finish without looking overdone. The packaging feels sturdy, and the applicator delivers just the right amount of product without waste. As for longevity, I found that the color stayed fresh for hours, even through a typical workday, which is exactly what you want from a liquid blush. I haven't had to reach out to customer support, but the balm is known for responsive service if any issues arise. If you're on a tighter budget, but still want that satin liquid finish, there are a few alternatives worth considering, like Essence's Satin Touch Liquid Blush or L'Oreal's Glow Mon Amour, which give a similar effect at a lower price point, though the pigmentation and blendability are slightly less refined than the balms. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Overall, the Balm Talk is Cheek in Lecture delivers on its promise of a buildable satin finish blush that feels light, blends effortlessly, and looks polished throughout the day. It's particularly well suited for those who enjoy a natural yet versatile flush. If you love liquid formulas that give you control over intensity and a sophisticated glow, this one's definitely worth trying. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, the link to grab this blush is in the description or comments below. If you've tried it, drop a comment and share your thoughts. I'd love to hear how it works for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.